Imagine sending private messages without internet, Wi-Fi, or even mobile signal, completely offline. Sounds crazy, right? Well, Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter, Blue Sky, and Square, just launched something that does exactly that. It's called BitChat, and here's everything you need to know. BitChat is a peer-to-peer messaging app that works without internet. No central server, no SIM card, no Wi-Fi. Instead, it uses Bluetooth Low Energy, also called BLE, to send messages from one phone to another, hopping device to device until the message reaches its destination. Think of it like AirTags using nearby iPhones, but for chatting. Each device acts as both a sender and a relay, building a mesh network that can spread across large areas, as long as enough users are connected nearby. Now let's talk about privacy. BitChat uses a special encryption method called the noise handshake protocol, which constantly rotates encryption keys every 5 to 15 minutes. This makes it nearly impossible to trace users or read their messages. But there's a catch. BitChat started as a weekend project, coded with help from Goose, an open-source AI assistant built by Dorsey's company, Block. Soon after its release, security experts flagged major vulnerabilities. In response, Dorsey added a warning on the project's GitHub page saying the app has not been externally reviewed and may contain bugs. So while it's open source and cool, it's not ready for sensitive use just yet. But the community is actively improving it, and you can even fork your own version with custom features. You might wonder, why do we need offline messaging? Here's where BitChat could shine. In crowded areas where mobile networks fail. During music festivals, rallies, or emergencies for corporate confidentiality or journalist source protection. Basically, anywhere that demands privacy and offline communication. I tested BitChat on both Android and iPhone. Here's what I found. The Android version works surprisingly well. Smooth message delivery and fast detection. But the iOS app? Pretty buggy. It couldn't detect messages from Android, while Android picked up iOS messages instantly. So yeah, the iOS version needs serious work. Also, the app's design, nothing fancy, basic UI, no bells and whistles. But the real innovation is what's happening under the hood. Look, I think BitChat is fascinating tech. A truly decentralized offline messaging system with encryption and community support. That's powerful. But for now, it's more of a work in progress than a polished tool. So here's the big question. Will Jack Dorsey's side project become the next big thing in privacy-first communication? Or will BitChat fade away as just another buggy experiment? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay private, stay curious. Catch you in the next one.